We invited the Bahn&Or project team to our site in St. Blasien and showed them the facilities and assembly lines of the new Beilhack 1100S snowblower.
Our new snowblower is a quite complex machine and must meet the requirements from many different perspectives. In my role as a project manager, it is very important that I can communicate easily with my partner and that we have a solution-oriented mindset.
Communication with the client is also one of the most important aspects of such a project for us at Aebi Schmidt. We ensure this through weekly meetings and frequent dialogues.
Building a machine like ours is best done as a partnership. And I'm impressed with the company's processes, their facilities, and the professionalism. And I very much appreciate that we can approach the project in a solution-oriented mindset.